Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about which one is better. First, Monday.com CRM versus HubSpot versus Salesforce. Now, choosing the best CRM system depends on your business size, budget, and required features. Here are some quick comparison on these three. The Monday.com CRM is best for small and growing teams, while the HubSpot is best for startups and mid-sized businesses, while the Salesforce is best for large enterprises. For the ease of use on Salesforce, it is complex and has a steep learning curve, while on the HubSpot, it has a easy to moderate ease of use. On the Monday CRM, it is very easy. Now for the pricing. On the Monday CRM, it is from $10 per month, while on the HubSpot, there are free and paid subscription which is about $20 to $90 a month. On the Salesforce, it is a custom pricing from $25 to $300 plus a month. Now, here are some pros and cons for these three. On Monday.com CRM, for its pros, it is the easiest to use. Great UI with drag and drop automation. Second, affordable. Starts at $10 a month, cheaper than Salesforce. Third, highly customizable. Adaptable to sales, marketing, and operations. Lastly, great for small teams and startups. Now, some of its cons are: first, limited reporting. Not as advanced as HubSpot or Salesforce. Second, fewer integrations than competitors. Now for the HubSpot, some of its pros are: first, best free plan, including email marketing, landing pages, and live chat. Next is easy automation and integration. Works with Zapier, Google, Outlook, and more. Lastly, scales well for SMBs. Can grow into HubSpot's paid marketing and sales tools. Now some of its cons are: first, higher tier plans and get expensive. And lastly, limited customization compared to Monday.com and Salesforce. Now for Salesforce, some of its pros are: first, most powerful and customizable CRM. Next is AI-driven insights and forecasting. Lastly, massive integration ecosystem. Now some of its cons are: first, expensive and complex, harder to set up for smaller businesses. And lastly, it requires training because it has a steep learning curve. Now, which CRM should you choose? Best for small businesses and startups is the Monday.com, while best for growing teams and marketing automation is the HubSpot CRM, and lastly, best for large enterprises and customization is the Salesforce. And that's basically it.